Look, I'm not going to tell you what you should and should not wear. What I'm here to tell you is to give you suggestions. Suggestions as to what you should be wearing. And the truth is that there's certain items for fall, Chelsea boots, that they're played out. Like they just, look, I'm not telling you that they're unstylish. It's just that everybody and their mother is wearing it and you're no longer standing out. You're no longer looking good. And at this point, it's like a bad taste in your mouth. So today, I'm gonna show you what you should stop wearing for fall and give you a better alternative that's more in style and will help you stand out. Let's go. Number one, Bombers. I know what you're thinking, Jose, no way, you just said Bombers. Bombers are a classic, and they are. They are, by the way. Continue to wear them if you like, but I do think they're a little bit played out. Like, at this point, I think every man on earth has a bomber. At least one bomber. And what I'm telling you is that if you want to stand out a little bit, try a quilted jacket or a puffer jacket. Both of these are in style right now, have a similar aesthetic and fit as a bomber. It's just as classic. You'll be able to wear it for about 2, 3, 4 years. So it's not a trend that's just going to fade out quickly, but it's different, right? So it's not common. Not everybody is wearing it, and it's a good way to kind of level up your style this fall. This particular one that I'm wearing is from H&M, so you don't even have to break the bank. H&M has most of the trends that you need for this fall season without you even having to spend a lot of money, which makes it great. And I went with a neutral colorway, and as you know, neutrals are just great for fall because it allows you to wear it with anything you already have in your wardrobe. Number two, the Chelsea boot. Look, I have personal beef with the Chelsea boot. You want to know why? I love the Chelsea boot. I think I have like 6 pairs of Chelseas in my closet. The problem is it got played out. Like, it's like, yo, this is every dude's going out shoe, so it's no longer the going out shoe. Like, every girl knows, like, yo, you look kind of lame. I'm not saying that, like, that's the word on the street. So I'm gonna help you out. Instead of pulling up to the club with Chelsea boots and seeing another 99 dudes with Chelsea boots, just wear a pair of lace-ups, of dress boot lace-ups. See, most dress boots have that nice slick silhouette. The lace-up feature makes it look a little bit more rugged, and usually they'll come with this chunky sole, so you know it'll give you a little bit of height. You'll be standing tall on top of all these dudes wearing Chelsea boots. And in my opinion, this is just my opinion, I think they're more versatile. See, these lace-ups look great with almost anything, whether it's a suit or jeans, and gives you more versatility than a suede Chelsea. Which rolls us on to number 3, ripped jeans. First of all, I don't even understand why men were wearing ripped jeans during fall, and by why men, I mean myself as well, because like, yo, you got legit airflow going up in those jeans. Like, it just makes it unpractical. On top of that, why are they so damn tight? Like, these are just completely out of style, and thank God, because honestly, they're uncomfortable. Like, let's be honest, if you wear tight jeans, you know they are uncomfortable. Instead, go for a relaxed cut. See, H&M's denim section is amazing because you got every cut, shade, style that you can think of. So whatever you're looking for, whatever's in trend, H&M has you covered, and you're not gonna break the bank. A lot of their jeans are made with organic cotton, so it's high quality stuff for a very affordable price, so you can start experimenting with your style and leveling up. These are a relaxed cut from H&M, and like you can see, they fit perfectly. And on top of that, they're comfortable, so I'm not constricted or feel like I'm cutting my circulation down there. On top of that, like I said, these are in trend, so not only are they gonna be comfortable, you're gonna look more stylish. Which, by the way, any item that you're seeing in this video that's from H&M, I'm going to have linked down below. You guys can check them out. Like I said, their entire new fall collection is on point this year with all the latest styles that you need. On top of that, most of their stuff come in this neutral colorway, which makes it ultra versatile for anybody's closet. And since it's affordable, you can try these trends without breaking the bank. Which rolls us on to number 4, and it's flannels. Again, look, nothing against flannels. They're classics. If they're in your wardrobe, you can still wear them, but they're played out. Like, they are extremely played out at this point. This is like the 4th fall season where they're just like being pumped out. And honestly, at this point, shirt jackets are what's going hard. See, short jackets give you a similar effect as a flannel. It's just a thick shirt that could be used as a jacket. So they're called shirt jackets. If you go on H&M or any major designer, they're pumping these out like crazy. If you want to stand out, shirt jackets are a good move because this is also a classic staple. See, a shirt jacket's not that trendy piece that's going to go out. This is something that you're going to be able to wear multiple seasons out of the year, usually 3, and for multiple years. And the cool thing with shirt jackets is that just like flannels, they come in different prints, colors, patterns, or just in basic solids that give you ultimate versatility, like this one that you're seeing from H&M. Number 5, turtlenecks. I know, boys, at this point, I basically made a video going for every dude's neck. Because like everything that I'm talking about here, everybody pretty much wears, including myself. But turtlenecks, boys, turtlenecks got played out. Like, it got played out. That whole turtleneck chain, Chelsea boot with the suit, oh my God. That is the look that everybody wears when they're trying to dress up, and it's like, it doesn't even look good anymore. It just looks tacky. So I'm gonna help your boy out. Instead of wearing turtlenecks, try a mock neck. A mock neck, it's an elevated approach. It's a lot lower in the neck, so it's more comfortable to wear. It's not as hot and suffocating, and it's one of those style pieces that if you got a nice event that you're gonna be dressing up to, while all the boys are wearing the turtleneck and chain look, you're gonna pull up in the mock neck and you're just gonna look money. And finally, number 6, boys, are skin tight joggers. See, when it's fall season, it's jogger season, and if you're not wearing joggers, like, you're missing out. Like, you know, these are our thirst trap pants, boys. But I'm not talking about those. See, those are uncomfortable. Those are the skinny jean equivalent of joggers. Nobody's wearing those, especially the ones with a thick ankle at the bottom. Looks horrible. Instead, go for a classic cut that's more relaxed, more comfortable, and has a natural scrunch at the bottom. It looks much better. It's in style. It's gonna be way more comfortable for you, like I said, and it's an easy trend anybody can implement because it's just comfortable. Like, who wouldn't want to be wearing sweats, bro? And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 6 trends that, in my opinion, dudes just gotta stop wearing. That's it for me today. See you next time.